So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Fisher and Paykel dishwasher, cancel drain reset or error clean and restart. So how to reset Fisher and Paykel dishwasher? A Fisher and Paykel dishwasher may sometimes freeze, stop mid-cycle or display error indicators due to temporary control or sensor issue. So resetting the dishwasher helps restore normal operation without service intervention. Also, to reset a Fisher and Paykel dishwasher for cancelling, draining, clearing error or restarting, use this common method based on model types like dishwasher or standard units. So, when should you reset the dishwasher? A reset is recommended when the dishwasher is stuck during a wash cycle. Also, buttons are not responding even when the error light or the beeping continues. The cycle does not start after selection, resetting clear temporary software glitches and also the control system to restart fresh. So the method 1 is to clear, cancel, drain reset. This method safely stops the current cycle and drains water. Press and hold the cancel or start pause button, then hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Wait until the dishwasher drains completely. Then the unit turns off automatically. It safely ends the active cycle and reset the internal program without cutting power. So the second method is power reset, the hard reset. Use this if the control panel is frozen. A power reset fully refreshes the electronic control board and clears persistent error states. So turn off the dishwasher at the wall switch or circuit breaker. Wait for 5 minutes, then turn the power on back. Select a new wash cycle and press start. So how to clear error codes? Major issue. So most Fisher and Paykel dishwasher clear minor errors automatically after reset, then drain or water flow errors, door sensors warning, then control panel unresponsiveness. The reset allows the dishwasher to recheck sensor and restart with default settings. So restarting the dishwasher after reset. After resetting, close the door firmly. Select the desired wash program, then press start. So listen for water fill to confirm operations. A proper restart confirms the reset was successful and ensures smooth cycle execution. If reset does not solve the issue, try the following. Check if the door latch is secure. Inspect the drain filter for blockages. Confirm proper water supply. Contact Fisher and Paykel service support if error persists. How this helps? Ongoing error usually indicate hardware or sensor issues needing professional attention. Thank you and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.